this is Katina, and I'm going to show you how to play a one-octave chromatic scale starting on low E. It's very important to get the right fingerings from the very beginning with this scale so you don't get tangled up with your pinkies in the lower octave. So we are going to start down on E right here, technically, but we're going to leave our finger on the F because you're lifting right up into it. So in order to play E, you have to have your thumb down in the back. Okay, no register key yet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you cover all the holes very carefully. See, I even have a little bit of a leak right there because of how I'm holding the clarinet. So you want them covered like this, and then put your pinkies gently down here for E. See, look at that. You can see me sliding up there, so watch out for that. That's a trap. That's one of our big squeaks right there. The notes don't speak. So we have E, F. Slide on over to F sharp right here, and you're going to lift up this pinky for that. So right here, it's E, then F sharp, G, and G sharp right there. So the best way to practice this scale is to break it into little pieces. So this is piece number 1, 5 notes. G sharp. So starting on your G sharp, you're going to lift up these two together like they're stuck together, B flat, and then you get to use a sliver key or a fork key or a banana key. I tend to call it the fork key, but a lot of people know of it as a sliver. It's really fun to play. So you have your B natural right here, and then you're going to stop on C, just like that. So let me show you G sharp. And if you noticed, as soon as I played the C, I dropped my fingers right back into the C position. I even leave my pinky hovering near the F, and this pinky, I leave it hovering around here because I do have a C sharp coming up and I keep it close. It's important to avoid lifting your hand up like this or jamming it under the clarinet like this. Always keep them curved and close. Moving on, we have our C. C sharp is this little guy right here. It's the little key that's on your upper joint of the clarinet. It's not part of this group on the lower joint. So you have C sharp right here, D. Now, for E flat or D sharp, you have two options. You can play this lower E flat key here, D sharp key, the side, or you can play the other sliver key right here. I personally like to play this one. It's really fun to play. It's also a chromatic fingering, so you can keep everything like that in one hand. Usually we're more efficient if we keep things in one hand. But you do have a very viable option right here. So for now, I'm going to use the chromatic fingering of D sharp like this. And then we're going to land on E, which is just that sort of pinching motion on the clarinet. You've got your thumb down in the back and E here. Now going down, you're just going to play everything again in reverse. We've got E, D sharp right here with your sliver, and then lift that up for the D natural. Going to C sharp right there, and you lift that up for C. Now we're going to go to the B natural with the fork, lift that up for B flat. And then we have A flat right here. And if you've noticed, I've used, hopefully, sharp fingerings going up and flat fingerings going down. So this is A flat, G natural. This F sharp is known as G flat. And we have F right here, and then we have our E natural. And that is a one-octave chromatic scale up and down. Happy practicing. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below. And don't forget to subscribe. Hi, this is Katina, and in this video I am going to get the feather off my sweater purse. Hi.